I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by naming exactly what this dashboard must answer and why those answers matter to decisions. Once done, map the 3-5 KPIs you'll surface and who needs them. This directs data model choices. Make sure to inventory every data source now: databases, APIs, exported CSVs, and event streams, because missing sources create late rework. Then choose initial access rules for execs versus analysts so design and security align from the first prototype. Now you translate goals into structure. Model data for reliable metrics using a star or dimensional approach so aggregations are fast and accurate. Once modeled, load a representative sample and build a low-fidelity prototype. This validates layout, drill paths, and performance before full implementation. Make sure to compute derived metrics centrally, margins, growth rates, to avoid inconsistent definitions. Test role-based filters early so managers and analysts see appropriate slices. Finish by deploying to staging and running load and security checks. This reveals authorization gaps and slow queries before users rely on it. Once live, collect targeted feedback through 1 or 2 sprint cycles and iterate. Prioritize fixes that affect decisions. Make sure to set monitoring for data latency, permission errors, and visual mismatches so you catch regressions. If data looks wrong, first reconcile raw source aggregates. If that fails, check ETL transformations and time zone alignment as a fast troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.